Good morning. I'm Amy Lynn. Our teeth, they are such an important part of our lives. Healthy teeth can give us greater self-confidence as well as influence our social lives, our careers, our relationships. Here with tips on taking care of your pearly whites properly, Dr. Alan Law and patient Jerry Larson. Thank you both so much for coming on this morning.
Certainly.
How has COVID affected our dental health?
Sure. Well, our association did a survey and found that over half of the respondents were delaying regular dental checkups. 1 in 3 were eating more sugary snacks, probably because they had more access to them when they were working at home. And 1 in 5 were not brushing their teeth in the morning because they didn't have anywhere to go, so they didn't brush their teeth. So all of these can lead to an increased risk of getting cavities and having problems with your teeth.
And why should you always strive to save your natural teeth?
Well, your teeth are certainly important for chewing, but they also have an important role in speech. If you've ever lost a tooth, or as a kid when you lost your front teeth, you know how it affects your speech. But also it's such an important part of our personality and our self-esteem, having a great smile.
And Jerry, talk about your experience with a root canal.
I had a lot of anxiety to begin with, but after going into Dr. Law's office, it set me at ease right away when I met his assistant and Dr. Law.
Now, how do you know if you need to see an endodontist?
The classic signs, if you're going to have pain that would bring you into an endodontist, would be pain, prolonged pain or severe pain to hot or cold or to biting. But you may also just have swelling or a draining infection around a tooth. Sometimes you don't have any symptoms, but you go to your dentist and they find some disease around a tooth and the bone with x-rays. And at that point in time, when they say you need a root canal treatment, you can ask, should I be seeing an endodontist?
So Jerry, what would you say to someone who's sitting there putting off dental work right now?
I was thinking of putting it off too, but sometimes the pain overrules all your other decisions, and the pain just gets too bad that you have to do it. And even with the pandemic that we're having, it was a godsend that I went in and had this done, because it was marvelous the way it turned out.
So where can we go to get more information about dental care and how we can find an endodontist in our area?
Sure. The American Association of Endodontists has a great website that talks about the safety of root canal treatment, lots of information for patients and for general dentists about the safety of treatment during COVID, and that's at AAE.org. And then if you'd like to find an endodontist to do your root canal treatment, you can go to findmyendodontist.com.
Thank you both so much for coming on this morning. Find out more about this by logging onto our website. It's fox4morningblend.com.